Hello everybody, and this is Rick Rector, and I'm gonna show you Sonic Boom 2. Now you can see that I have Sonic and Amy. Last time when I played this, I had Knuckles, but I deleted this game that way I could get Amy for this one. I do mostly better with Sonic, since he spin dashes easier. Oh, those glowing blue orbs, those help you run really fast. So you always have to try to get them. Oh, those spiky things, you have to always dodge them. They're bombs. And in this tunnel, you can stay Sonic or switch to Amy. But I'll stay Sonic for this one. So this is where Eggman makes all his robots and stuff. He just sends them everywhere, that way I can attack them and he takes over the world with whatever he's trying to do. I played this for a while, but it's not actually that complicated. But only if you start running really fast, it makes it hard for you to see what you're doing. Now this is what I was talking to you about when you get all those glowing orbs. So every time when you see a sign where it has a kind of spot where it tells you where it goes, that's where you can switch to the other character or stay the character that you already are. And for this, you have to tilt your phone or tablet. That way you can get the glowing orbs. And also, with running super fast, you can run right through the bombs. So, this game is really easy, but only if you know how to use the person right. Now, if you don't, then it's a little problem. I'll choose Amy this time, because I mostly don't use Amy a lot. Amy does the same thing that Sonic does, except for attacking, where she has to use a hammer every time when you get all those glowing orbs, instead of just running real fast. I'll show you when I get all the glowing orbs with Amy. Fudge nutter. I wasn't able to get all the glowing orbs for Amy. Oh, this is a special event for your Shadow, but Shadow actually wants to get Eggman instead of him working with Eggman. To get other players, you have to use 30 red star rings to get them. So this game is really fun, and I played it multiple times, but it gets a little boring the more you play it. But for all you Sonic fans, you wouldn't get bored of the game. I mean, I'm a Sonic fan, but this game gets a little boring sometimes. Not all the times. I mostly like this game when I play it. It's just I haven't been playing it for a little while. Now for this one, you would rather pick Amy or Styx if you get one of those two? Because Amy and Styx Amy is the one who really likes graceful things. I can tell since I watched it. Since I watched Sonic Boom. Amy really mentioned that she liked graceful things. And also you can tell because if this is her favorite scene, because now this is what I was telling you about. She doesn't just run really fast, she runs with her aim. But you can tell that this is one of Amy's favorite scenes because she is pink and her favorite color is pink. And since it's mostly pink in there, like all the flowers, she would mostly like being there. So I'm gonna end the video now, and I'm gonna see you on the next video that I make. Bye, and this is Rex Raptor signing off.